Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I have a special treat for you guys. Guess what it is? We're going to be making Philly cheese steak sliders. Philly cheese steak sliders. Yes, let's go ahead and get into those ingredients. So I have 2 steaks here, washed clean. I'm going to cut up bell pepper. I'm going to do 2 onions. We like onions around here. I'm going to grill them with the butter, lemon pepper, seasoned salt, garlic powder. That's going to be the rub, and we're going to top it off with grilled buns, some Swiss cheese here. We like the Swiss cheese. And then we're going to have the steak sauce. You can do A1, whatever type of steak sauce you like, and you will go from there. Let's go ahead and get started. So with my sharp knife, guys, I just wanted to kind of show you how to cut up one of these type of steaks instead of if you don't have like a big round steak. You can trim the fat. If you like the fat on there, you keep it. But I'm gonna try to trim the fat off of here, okay, with a sharp knife. And you're gonna kind of go the long way. Okay, so now that I cut the steak the long way, we're gonna go ahead and cut the steak smaller because we will be making sliders. So we don't want them overlapping too much of the slider. Okay, so now that I have gotten the meat chopped up, I season it with those seasonings. I chopped up the bell peppers and onions, kind of small, medium small. You don't want them too chunky on your sandwich. I got the butter going here, a little olive oil, and we are going to go ahead and get started here. So let's go ahead and assemble the steak. And then I'll come back and show you guys the rest. So as you can see, I got the onions and my peppers separate in steak because some people may not like onions or peppers. So you just kind of keep them sectioned. And I don't use like a tongue or nothing. I like to use a spatula so that I can make sure it's easy to flip these steak bites. Okay, come back and show you the rest. Okay, so I have my 8x10 dish with the sliders. Now, you can do these 2 ways. You can wait to put the cheese on it and layer it with your meat and your vegetables and then cheese and bake it, or you could do it this way. I melted a little butter. I'm gonna add just a little bit of garlic powder and just a little bit of parsley. And I don't have my brush, excuse me, but we got that butter going here. And if you don't have a brush, it's okay to use a spoon like I'm doing because I can't find my brush. And we are going to take that hot butter and we're going to apply it to the bottom and to the top. So I'm going to take it to the bottom and to the top, and I'm going to come back and show you guys. Okay, I'll be back. So I'm going to start layering my steak and my onions first, and we're going to go ahead and put the cheese on next, and I'm going to come back and show you the. I have my pan on low. Put as many pieces of cheese as you want, and then we are going to top it with a topper because I'm not putting it in the oven for the cheese to melt. I'll be back. So the Philly cheese steak is ready. I'll let the pan sit on there for about a good 3 minutes so the cheese can melt, 2 to 3 minutes. And you're just going to take it and assemble it. Look at that. Take it and assemble it, guys. Yes, you're going to put them on that hot. I just want you guys to see this. Look at that. Look at that. The onions, the peppers. And make them as big as you want, depending on how many people you're eating and how much steak you cut up. Look at that. Yummy. And I'm going to come back and show you guys. Okay, guys. So here are the sliders. Doesn't take long. Easy. Good for the kids. Good for an outing, a party. church function, whatever works for you. But look at that. Everything one pan. Philly steak sliders. And then this is optional. If you want A1 sauce, you can use that. But I just wanted to show you guys. Delish. Enjoy the recipe. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye-bye.